Black Lives Matter is a decentralized movement advocating for nonviolent civil disobedience in protest against incidents of police brutality and racially motivated violence against black people. Racism cases are currently rife in America and are being discussed almost all over the world. One of the cases currently being discussed is Black Lives Matter. Racism against black people has been going for a long time. Racism and discrimination against black people has tied them to the lowest class hierarchy. Shooting cases in America are still high. Data from the Bureau of Justice Statistics reveal that police killings committed against civilians reach an average of 900 cases per year. Black people are 9 times more likely to be killed than whites. Because black people there are considered inferior and their degrees are different. Why? Because there was a time when black people were made slaves. Black skin became synonymous with field workers who worked outdoors under the sun, causing their skin to turn more darker. Systemic racism occurs in urban areas with a low-income black majority. Interestingly, disasters show how systemic discrimination is. Urban sociologist Eric Klinenberg in Heat Wave shows that the victim of the heat wave can be found in the black community. Since implementing austerity measures, the city government has reduced the low-cost apartment facilities for black elderly residents. The apartment is not installed with air conditioning. The elevator is broken not to the lowest and into the highest floor. Poor transportation access. In addition, the high rates of crime and murder make the elderly afraid and choose to die to the heat in the room rather than save themselves out. The lack of public facilities can be seen from environment of black people who on average experience a food desert, namely limited food sources. It is quite a distance from supermarkets selling fresh vegetable and meat, more than 5 kilometers. It is very difficult for those who do not have a car or wait for the bus, which comes every up to 55 minutes. Around the black neighborhood, there are only small supermarkets with instant food, canned vegetable, sauces full of MSG, and sodas full of sugar. It is not surprising that the number of black children who have diabetes and kidney failure is quite high. The incident related to black racism that is still hotly discussed today is the shooting incident of George Floyd, an American citizen, which also involved a Minneapolis officer on May 25. In the incident, the policeman crushed the black person's neck with his knee to the ground. In that accident, a number of Minneapolis police officers, United States, arrested George because the clerk of the shop where George previously translated reported to the police that George brought cigarettes with counterfeit money. George's death sent a wave of protest and demonstration to the streets of the country. In fact, this wave of protest did not only occur in America but also in Germany, Britain, and Australia. Demonstrators raised issues against racism and police brutality. The presence of black residents is seen by white community and the police as a threat because of the stereotypical criminal tendencies inherent in black people. This led the police to try to protect whites from blacks. Violence experienced by black people includes beatings, unlawful arrests, verbal resistance, threats, sexual violence, to the killing of civilians by police. There is also incident that happened recently, namely the shooting incident of a black man named Jacob Blake. He was shot in front of the eyes of his wife and three young children. In a video spread on social media, Blake is seen walking towards the car, followed by two police officers pointing a gun on his back. Then 7 gunshots were heard while Blake, who appeared to be unarmed, opened the car door. It is not yet known whether the police saw anything in the car that caused them to shoot Blake, and it's not clear whether one or both of the policemen had shot. Myself really feel unfair with the way they treat black people in that country. Whether they are colored or not, we are still human, so respect for tolerance is very important. Thank you.